Hi guys, right, so a bit of revision on isomers that you've got to do slide 2 onto the Google Docs, but this week we're going to focus mainly on naming alkanes. Now, branch-chained alkanes, so they've got branches on them. So you can read through the instructions how to do this. I'm going to briefly go through them. You need to look for the longest chain that's a straight chain. So you've got 1, 2, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. So the backbone must be something hexane. Okay, then you want to number the carbons in your head, or you can just write on things, where you've got a branch chain. Now, branch chains could be 1 carbon methyl, 2 carbons ethyl, 3 carbons propyl. I'm not going to go further than that. Now, 5 seems quite high up, so we're going to rub out that numbering system and try the numbering system in reverse. See if we get a lower number. So if I number them from this end, then I'm going to have, again, obviously 6 carbons. So we've got hexane as our backbone. And in the second carbon, there is a methyl group. So we put the number, the carbon that is, the group's coming off. What's the group? It's a methyl group. So that is 2-methylhexane. So we look at the second one. Again, count the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's something pentane. And then we number them. So if we numbered them, just do it this way, see if it comes quite low numbers. So I've got some group coming off second carbon, a group coming off third carbon. If I numbered them the other way, there'd be longer numbers. So I've got 1 off 2, I've got 1 off 3. I've got methyl groups, but I've got 2 of them, so I've got to say dimethyl. I know it's overkill. Okay, and then try the next one just by yourselves, and you can always write the answer on that Google sheet. So if we go back to the slides, I'm going to just rub out all these things because the problem is it's going to come up in the next bit. So the other thing is when it's the other way round. So if we just rattle through the slides, try drawing these out, and if you want a bit of practice, go to these slides here. So the 2 that we're going to look at is the other way around, given a name and you need to draw the structure. So look at the backbone. So that's 5 carbons in a row. Now, similar to Mr. Hay, I'm not going to write out all the hydrogens, but I'd like you to do that. At the second carbon, there's a methyl group. You need to draw out the full structure. Third carbon, there is a methyl group. Okay. Then put all the hydrogens in. Now, for the second one, slightly annoyingly, when you do name these, you've got to have, it's alphabetical. So an ethyl group is before a methyl group. Even if there's 2 of them, E is before M. So then this would be octane. So, oh my goodness, you need to draw out 8 carbons in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put another one here. Okay, now you can number them any way you like, but obviously just do it this way because it's easier. So if you number them, this is 1, this is 8. Okay, so off the second carbon, there's an ethyl group. That's 2 carbons. Oops, that's very badly bond. Be careful your bonds go from there. And off the third group, there's a methyl group, right? And with all the hydrogens on there. Right, so there's quite a lot of things there. There is Mr. Hayes' video, my video. There's also bite-sized revision to go through, and there's a wee quiz. And also I'll go over this hopefully tomorrow in the tutorial. I see you guys, so have a go at that.